might want to get this. You might want to get this, didn't you? Yeah, look, whoa, holy crap, look at this rainstorm. On the storm as well. Hello. Holy crap. We do not want to be walking around in that. So I'm watching Roncho at the moment, so put this on YouTube. It's interesting. Biggest rainstorm. It's like the biggest rainstorm. Even like the cars are going through it. Yeah, the cars. It's the biggest rainstorm we've ever seen, ever had. I've got more and more involved with over the last few years. This is like the biggest rainstorm. Why put all your time and money and energy into creating football teams and tournaments for homeless people instead of just dealing with their homelessness? So I was very sceptical to begin with. But the more I found out about it, the more brilliant I realised it was. And I've come to meet founder Kerry. What difference can it make to these people's lives?
You think it's just football and it's just